In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Trello subscription. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to Trello. So open your web browser and head over to the Trello homepage at trello.com. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the page for the Login button. Go ahead and click that. You'll have the option to sign in using either your email address or your Google account. Whichever method you choose, enter your credentials, and you'll be taken to your Trello dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to your workspace settings. From your dashboard, you'll see all your workspaces listed. Find the specific workspace that you want to upgrade. This is important because your billing is associated with each workspace. Once you've selected it, look for the Settings option associated with that workspace. Give that a click, and then select Workspace Settings from the administrative options that appear. Next, we're ready to access billing and choose a plan. In the Settings menu, you should see an option titled Billing. Click on that to move forward. This is where you'll find all the available tiers for your subscription, such as the Standard and Premium plans. Take a moment to review the features of each plan. What you want to do is compare them carefully and decide which one fits your needs the best. Consider factors like the number of integrations, advanced features, and overall functionality to help make your decision. Once you've chosen a plan, it's time to enter your payment details. This is pretty straightforward. You'll need to provide your credit card information to proceed with the transaction. Just take a moment to double-check all the details you entered to ensure everything is correct. This will help avoid any potential payment issues down the line. Now we're almost at the finish line. Click on either Next or Confirm Payment, depending on what the screen shows you. This will bring up the final confirmation screen. Take a look at all the plan details one last time to ensure you're completely satisfied before you finalize everything. Once you've reviewed it and feel good about the upgrade, just go ahead and complete the process. And there you have it. You've successfully upgraded your Trello subscription. Now you can enjoy the additional features and capabilities that come with your new plan. Remember, if you run into any questions or concerns during this process, Trello also has a comprehensive help section right on their site. Thanks for joining me in this video. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks and give this video a thumbs up. Happy organizing with Trello!